Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Said. Name 341200443. Study program D3 Mechanical Engineering from class 1B D3 Mechanical Engineering. Introduction of tools, machine and equipment. In this unit, we will talk about how to tell function of tool, machine and equipment that the student used in their workshop. Tools, hammer, some function of hammer, a common hammer used to nail, fixing things, metal deflecting and destroying objects. The hammer was designed to serve the specific purpose with variation in form and structure. B. Racks, some cane function. It is used to tighten and loosen bolts to where hexagonal make it easier to do the work in narrow and limited section. Number 3. I can prevent damage to the bolts. Number 4. Could be used in the unsunken sporty by machine design. C. Floor screwdriver. Some function of a floor screwdriver. Number 1. Tightening and loosening the snapped bolt. Number 2. Used for the variety of equipment, both electric, auto, rapid, and other times. Number 3. Can be used to bind something. Machine. A bending machine. Some function of bending machine. Number 1. Used to float or bend plate that had been completed for early work. Number 2. The paper's hand were used to bend the cylindrical web object. Number 3. Make it easier to attach the addition to large and small plate. B. Jackhammer sit down. Some jackhammer sit down. Number 1. Cutting a hole in object 4 and small to large diameter. Number 2. The speed of a swivel can be adjusted according to the need so as to make it easier to drive. Number 3. Can accelerate the process of making a hole in an object. C. Plate cutter. Some slim and plate cutter function. Number 1. As a tool flatten the edges of the plate to gain clean. Number 2. Can cut the plate into any number of shapes it needs. Number 3. Used to cut plate with a length of track line. Number 4. Can cut track this with thin plates. Equipment. A shed safety. Some function of the shed safety it protect its workplace from the dangers surrounding its workplace. Number 2. Make worker feel safe and comfortable at work. Number 3. To supplement worker visibility when doing work. B. Safety shoes. Some function of safety shoes. Number 1. It protects its feet from sharp and danger when engaged in activities. Number 2. It protects the foot from hazardous chemicals while doing research. Number 3. Resulting the foot from the healthy optimizing the work. C. Welding helmet. Some function of the welding helmet. Number 1. It protects the face from welding sparks and hair. Number 2. Minimize the welding leak in the edge. Number 3. For the welding device and comfortable.